Okay, so you've definitely seen them. The AI-generated videos where a person's trying to eat spaghetti, but the spaghetti kind of eats them back. Or a dog that just, sprouts a fifth leg mid-stride. They're amazing and also a little bit unsettling, right? I honestly spent way too much time trying to figure out why they feel so off. And it turns out the answer is way more interesting than just a simple glitch. Let's get into it.
So what is actually going on here? I mean, how can an AI perfectly render the shimmering reflection on a glass of water but not get one of the most basic rules of physics? If you knock the glass over, the water spills. That's the core puzzle we're going to solve together today.
And here's the thing, this isn't just some random bug. It's a really deep, fundamental challenge that researchers have been wrestling with for a while. The problem, it turns out, isn't with the AI's eyes, but with its, with its education.
Right, and this slide absolutely nails the core issue. See, for years, the big race in AI video was all about making things look hyper-realistic. But while everyone was focused on getting the lighting and the textures just right, they kind of forgot to teach the AI basic logic. Things like stuff falls down, not up. So we've ended up with these incredible artists that are just terrible physicists. So the obvious solution is just feed it more cat videos, right? Well, not exactly. See, the problem isn't a lack of videos online. It's a lack of the right kind of videos. The AI has seen what our world looks like, but it hasn't been properly taught the rules of the game. And that brings us to the breakthrough that's at the heart of our story, a huge collaborative effort to build a totally new kind of school for AI. Meet the Very Big Video Reasoning Dataset, or VBVR for short. And trust me, when they say very big, they are not kidding. This isn't just a giant hard drive full of random internet clips. Think of it more like a custom-built curriculum, specifically designed to teach an AI common sense, one little logic puzzle at a time. So how big is very big? Well, the VBVR dataset is roughly 1,000 times larger than all the other major video reasoning datasets combined. That's not just a step up, that's like going from a single bookshelf to the entire Library of Congress. It's a whole different scale.
Okay, just look at these numbers for a second. We're talking about a jump from around 10,000 clips to over 1 million. This is the kind of massive scale you actually need if you're serious about teaching a machine how the world really truly works.
But here's the thing that's so cool. It's not just about the size. The real genius of VBVR is in its design. It's basically a cognitive obstacle course for an AI, and it's built around the same core principles our own brains use to make sense of the world. The entire dataset is built on these 5 cognitive pillars. It's designed to test everything from abstract thinking and spatial awareness to just, recognizing an object and predicting what's going to happen to it next. It's a full brain workout for the AI. And this slide gives you just a little taste of how diverse that workout is. We're talking over 200 unique tasks. Wait, back up a second. What kind of tasks are we talking about? Stuff like solving sliding puzzles, navigating mazes, sorting objects, even predicting the path of a bouncing ball. Each one is a little logic puzzle designed to force the AI to think instead of just copy what it's seen before. Okay, that's all a bit abstract, I know. So let's make it real. Let's actually walk through one of these tests. For the next minute, I want you to imagine you are the AI. All right, here's our test. We're the little green circle. The AI gets a really simple prompt, something like collect the red key and then go to the red door. Simple enough, right? Now here's the kicker. The AI can't just spit out the answer. No, it has to generate a video that shows the entire correct path. It has to prove it can follow the rules, like no walking through walls, and actually execute a plan from start to finish. This one little task tests planning, spatial logic, and the ability to follow instructions all at once. Okay, so here's the million-dollar question. Did it work? After all this special training, did the AI actually get any smarter? Well, the results are fascinating. So let's look at what happened as they fed the AI more and more of these puzzles. As you can see on this chart, performance just shoots way up at the beginning. More data meant it got way smarter. But then it starts to plateau. The improvement slows right down. And this was a huge discovery. It suggests that you can't solve this problem just by throwing more and more data at it. There's a deeper limit in how these AI models are actually built. And this chart here really drives that point home. See that outer edge? That represents perfect human-level reasoning across those 5 key skills. And the colored shapes inside? That's the best AI we have right now. Just look at that gap. It's huge. Especially in areas like abstract thinking,
the AI is still miles and miles behind it.
So what's the deal? Why did they hit a wall? The researchers were stumped for a bit, so they went back and just watched the videos the AI was making. And that's when they had their big aha moment. The secret to better reasoning wasn't about reasoning at all. It was about control. This right here is the core insight of the entire paper. Before an AI can reason about the world, it first has to learn not to change the world on a whim. It has to create a stable, consistent reality first. Here's the thing. Before all this training, the AI was pure chaos. It would change the rules of the game halfway through a video. I mean, the maze walls would literally move around. How can you possibly solve a puzzle if the puzzle keeps breaking itself? The VBVR training taught the AI a crucial first step. Just hold the world still. That stability, that control, that is the foundation for all logic.
Okay, I know that was a lot to take in. So what are the big takeaways you should remember from all this? I've boiled it down to 3 key points for you.
First up, the problem. AI videos look weird because they're trained to be pretty, not logical. Second, a solution. Datasets like VBVR are being built not just to show the AI the world, but to actually teach it the rules. And third, the big insight. Before an AI can truly reason, it has to learn control. It has to stop breaking its own puzzles before it can ever learn to solve them. This research really gives us a whole new roadmap. It shows that the path to an AI that truly understands our world isn't just about making things look real, but about teaching it the fundamental rules of reality itself. And that leaves us with a pretty fascinating question. When will an AI not just see a glass of water fall, but truly understand why it's spilled? Thanks for digging into this with me. Until next time.